exploration company from Tokyo. We are ispace, and we are developing the Lunar Lander and Lunar Rover here. We raised over 90 million US dollar investment in 2017, and then we will go to the moon in 2020 and 2021.
What rocket are you guys going to use to get there?
Yes, we had a contract with SpaceX. We're going to use a Falcon 9 rocket for our launch.
Do you have a launch date on a Falcon yet?
Not yet. We can only say it's going to be mid-2020 for first mission and mid-2021 for second mission.
Where do you guys want to land on the moon? Where are you headed to?
We go to the, how can I say, near side of the moon. It's called Lacus Mortis. But the first mission will be just a lunar orbiter. And second mission, we will land on the moon.
So the first mission is just orbit?
Yes.
And then the landing will come later?
Yes. So first mission will be lunar orbit mission, and second mission will be landing on the moon.
That's great. How does the lander get deployed from the actual spacecraft?
Yes, so we have to launch our spacecraft by a rocket of SpaceX, and then it will take us to GTO, which is the Earth orbit, and then we deploy our space rocket in GTO, and we have to go there by ourselves with our lander.
And that's what this is, right?
Yes, this is 1/5 scale mock-up.
So where's the lander? Point the lander. Where's the lander on this?
Yeah, this is a Lunar Lander.
Okay. And the rover would be?
Rover would be this, and then this will be inside the Lunar Lander.
Right, I see.